I have a very detailed manual for this main interface. Here's a brief introduction. Process library. For example, we choose to weld stainless steel, for example, the thickness 0.8 mm. Click Export to set the parameter yourself. And then click Save. The parameter you modified will be saved in the process library. Generally, what needs to be modified is the laser power, the frequency, and the duty cycle don't need to be changed. The spin frequency is changed. That's the speed of the welding gun spin. The spin length just like the spin range of the welding gun, and modified the feed speed. Then welding mode. After opening, there are two types, continuous and pulse. Generally, continuous is selected. There is also a safety lock on the right side. And voltage alarm shielded. Flow alarm. Temperature display. Alarm will occur when the temperature is very high. Manual blow air. The wire feeder, two small arrows from on the left and right. Spin is closed, it will stop spinning. The light is prohibited, the light will no longer appear. There is a wire feeding parameter here, which includes a continuous wire feeding and continuous withdrawal. You can set the parameter according to your own processing habits. Diagnostic interface don't modify. System parameter. Here are the laser delay, as well as the language selection. System parameter. Language. Device parameter. The password is 3638. After opening, don't modify the parameter. Press return. There is a center offset. It is used to adjust the position of the red light point to accurately determine the laser light position. Replace protective lens. Pull out the green cover with the up level. This is the protective lens one. You can carefully remove the broken protective lens and repair it with a new one. There is also a protective lens 2 at this position, which can also be pulled out directly. This is a double protective lens welding gun head.